हां
Respect diba tayo, no? Isa amin yun aga. Abata.
ना म्हज्या हिशोबान मास्क घालून
ना
न्ही
व्यवस्थित
नाका मास्क नाका
व्यवस्थित
हांव भिना. व्हड जाल्यार मोन्ना लोक येवपाना.
घाल घाल सीएम येयलो
Take this solemn pledge that I will work for the emotional oneness and harmony of the people of India, regardless of caste, resolve all differences among us through dialogue and constitutional means without resorting to violence. I further pledge that I shall work hard to end the terrorism and violence.
घाल घाल बस
Rajiv Gandhi ji. And his words still echo in my ears. He said India is a young country but a very old nation. And just like all the young are restless, I too have a dream. And his dream was to make India a superpower among the nations of the world. Today, India is a superpower. He had a great love for Goa. And I feel very nostalgic today because 29 years back, Rajiv ji phoned us on 17th morning that he wants to come and address a public meeting in Goa. It was election campaign meeting. And he informed us in the morning. We had a meeting on 17th of May, 4 days before the heinous assassination. I had a great bond, respect and relationship with him. After the meeting, he took me aside and he told me, Goans are very intelligent, hard-working. There should be 100% employment and 100% housing. That was the living testament of Rajiv ji for Goa. I remember on this very place, I released the employment policy which 90% is implemented. I also released housing policy which was not implemented. But today, when we are going through these difficult times, I still remember his love for Goa. He wanted 100% employment. But today, many of our brothers and sisters, for employment purpose, they have gone abroad. It is more than nearly 2 months after the lockdown. Still, we are not in a position to bring them back. Yes, India is a sovereign country. India is a superpower. We have got enough money. We have given 20 lakh crores as a special package. Just a few days back, the Reserve Bank has informed us 68,700 crores are written off for hardly 50 of the defaulters, willful defaulters, then why are we not having the money to bring back our people and put them into quarantine? Today it makes me very sad because all the nations of the world has got a SOP for seamen, for their citizens. All the citizens who were in Goa, they are taken back. And our citizens and our seamen are yet to come. And today government is informing that they should go for the paid quarantine. Let us not make business and commerce out of quarantine. This is not a quarantine economy. Let us not convert our duty into payment. It is our duty, it is our sacred duty to help every citizen who needs our help. Those who can afford to pay the quarantine, those who come to Goa, they should be asked to pay the quarantine. But not our brothers and sisters, the NRIs, the seamen who cannot afford. Those who can afford, they can pay. But those who cannot afford, they should not be kept back because it's already nearly 60 days. It's too long. Let our brothers and sisters come back to Goa. Come back to their families. Come back to our roots because they have already lost jobs. Let us not create more tension for them. I have today once again appealed. Yesterday I had written appeal to the Prime Minister. I had written appeal to the Home Minister. I had written an appeal to the Minister of External Affairs. I had written an appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister. Because today SOP comes from the Government of India. And therefore the Chief Minister should be firm. If the Government of India fails, Government of Goa should not fail. So it is my earnest appeal on this sacred day that let us help every Goan who are poor, who are destitute, who are suffering, who have lost their employment. These are very, very difficult times. So let us reach out with our hearts to them. Thank you.
आज आमचे स्वर्गीय राजीव गांधीचो डेथ एनिवर्सरी देखून आमी आयज एकठांय जाल्या. राजीव गांधीन देशा खातीर भरपूर करून दाखयलें आनी हेर तांगेले फॅमिली मेंबरां भशेन स्वर्गीय इंदिरा गांधी जिणें सांगलोलें आपूण मरूंक दिना पूण आपलो एक एक थेंबो देशाची युनिटीक आनी विकासा खातीर धांवचो. तेंच बाब राजीव गांधीन केलें. तांणी चड उलोवंक ना आतांचे सरकारा भशेन. आतां सगलीं उलोवपाचें आनी करप थोडें. तांणी करून दाखयलें आनी उलोवप थोडें केलें. कितें वस्तू ही वॉज अ विजनरी. तो चिंतालो आमचो देश सारको मुखार पावचो आनी ताचे तेंपाक जायतो मुखार पावलो. आनी एक संवसारांत एक तरणाटो असो एक प्रधानमंत्री जावन गेलो जो एक विजनरी आसलो आनी तें विजन जें आशिल्लें तें जायतें करून तांणी दाखयलें. आनी करपाचें जायतें जें आशिल्लें ताच्या मनान तांकां करूंक मेळूंक ना कित्याक ताच्या पयलोच ताजो टेररिस्ट हें आहले तांणी ताजो जीव घेतलो. तेन्ना हांव मागतां आयज आमी तुजो उगडास करतात आनी एकूच देवा कडेन मागतात तुजी सपनां जीं आशिल्लीं की देश अशें अशें उंच पावचो, आमचो देश सबंद जगांत एक व्हडलो देश जावचो, हीं सपनां सकाळ सकाळ पूर्ण जावचीं आनी आमी काँग्रेस जो आसा तो आनी एक फावट मजबूत जावन आनी देश परतो आमच्या हातांत हाडपाक हीं तुजीं सपनां पूर्ण जातलीं हें म्हणून हांव आनीक एक फावट तुजे आत्म्यांक देवान सूख दिवचें हें मागून म्हजी दोन उतरां सोंपयतां.